Assalamualaikum my dear students, hopefully you would be fine. This English language tutorial for grade 3 and the topic that we are going to study it's healthy and strong. And by the end of this tutorial you will be able to revise previous concepts and then you will attempt exercise number 1, 2 and 3 on activity book page 90 to 91. Let's have previous knowledge questions. What are the benefits of taking exercise? And number 2, what is balanced diet? So yesterday we have discussed that the taking exercise is really important because it makes our bones strong and it makes us fit. Then we have discussed that balanced diet is really important for staying healthy. So we should add vegetables, fruits, meats, proteins in our daily meal. Then sleep is also a really important part of our life. If we sleep well, then our mind will be able to work properly. And milk is one of the important things. Yesterday we have discussed that how can we stay healthy. We have studied the benefits of taking exercise, like it makes our muscles strong, and we have discussed the healthy food. What are the healthy foods? We have discussed that why the sleeping is really important and kids need to sleep 8 to 10 hours in a day, and washing your hands, personal hygiene is really very important and we all need to take care of personal hygiene. So now time to open up activity book. Take out activity book page 90, write on the date on the top of the page. Today it's 18 January 2021. The day is Monday, and write on the classwork on the middle. So now let's discuss exercise number 1. Exercise number 1 is that we will read the clues and then we will write the words in the crossword puzzle. But before solving the puzzle, we need to complete the blanks, and the blanks are given on page 90. We will read it, we will think about it, and then we will complete the puzzle. Under the heading of across, we have 3 blanks. Blank number 5. What's your favorite kind of dash? Skipping, walking, or playing football? Think about it and then put a finger on puzzle 5. The key letter is E. Think about a word that suits it best. Number 2. Wash your hands with dash and water. Look at the puzzle 6. The key letter is S. Think about a word that suits the best. First complete the blank and then complete the puzzle. Then number 7, get plenty of dash every night. And put a finger on a puzzle 7. The key letter is S. Think about a word that suits the best and complete the blank. And after completing the blank, you need to complete the crossword puzzle. Then another heading is down. Under the heading of down, we have 4 blanks. Number 1, a carrot is a dash like a bean or an onion. So put a finger on a puzzle number 1. The key letter is V. Think about a word, complete the blank, and after completing the blank, you need to complete the word puzzle. Number 2, our dash help us move, bend, and lift heavy things. Now put a finger on a puzzle 2, think about a word, and complete the blank. Number 3, drink plenty of dash every day. It's blank number 3. Put a finger on a puzzle number 3 and the key letter of the word is W. Think about a word that starts with W and suits the best with the blank. And the last one is dash are tiny living things which can make us ill. Now put a finger on a puzzle 4. The first 2 letters of the word is already done for you, that are G and E. Think about a tiny living thing which can make us ill. Think about a word, complete the blank, and after completing the blank, you are going to complete the word puzzle. Now, come back to page 91. The question exercise number 2 is all about use of language. Say how you will look after your teeth next week. Answer the question with I will or I'll. So the question is, clean teeth are healthy teeth. There are 2 questions are given it to you. You will read it and answer it in your own words by using the words I will. Question 1 is, how often will you brush your teeth each day next week? And question 2, when will you brush them? Now come back to exercise number 3. Exercise number 3 is all about the reading. Games are a great way to get exercise. Match the instruction with a picture and draw a line. Now what you need to do, you will read the description about the game, you will look at the picture A, picture B and picture C and match the correct picture with the relevant game description. So class, today you are going to do 3 exercises. Exercise number 1, that is all about puzzle. Exercise number 2, this is all about use of future tense, for example I will. And question 3 is all about reading. You will read the description about the game and then you will match the pictures. So this was today's tutorial. Hopefully it will help you while doing the work. Do the work, complete your work and stay safe, stay healthy, and Allah Hafiz.